guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can add a canvas to your videos on CapCut PC. So for instance, you can't see this canvas option, and that is because you put it in the second track, and that's basically the fix, is just to put it on the main track, because it's not going to show if you put it on the second track, because you can like put a background underneath like a picture. That's why they didn't give the option if you put it on the second track. But if you want to get the background from CapCut, just put it on the first like line here where there's like these icons. Then you can scroll down and go to canvas. You can add in the blur canvas, you can add in color, you can add in style and stuff like that. But that is how you can do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!